Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make paper tubes. The first thing that you will need is newspaper to cover your workspace. You will also need some kind of paper source. It could be magazines, it could be newspapers. You will also need a wooden skewer. Skewers have a pointy tip, and we need to be careful not to hurt ourselves or others with that pointy tip. You will also need scissors and a glue stick. So the first thing that you will do is to find some paper source. I'm using a magazine, and I'm going to take one page from the magazine to make my paper tube. But I don't need the whole page, so I'm going to use scissors to cut half of this paper. Now I need to bring the skewer. The skewer will be the guide that will help me roll the paper tube. So I will place my skewer in the corner, and I will wrap the corner around the skewer like this. And then I will start rolling the skewer to wrap the paper around it, making sure that it's tight around the skewer. I will use my index fingers to just slowly roll the skewer, wrapping that piece of paper around it. Until only one corner of the paper is left, and then I will bring my glue stick. I will turn the wheel on the bottom to push the glue up. I will put some glue on that corner, and then I will keep rolling it until I finish gluing the entire paper around the skewer. Now I have finished my paper tube, and the only thing I need to do now is to pull the skewer out of the paper tube, and now my paper tube is ready. Now sometimes we may not need an entire tube and just a smaller section of it, so we just use our scissors to cut it. And we may find that the tubes is starting to fall apart, and we just hold it with our fingers, use our glue stick, and glue that last corner again, and it's ready. Now let me show you one thing that you can do with these paper tubes. You can create a collage piece using different sections of these tubes in different sizes as you prefer.